In this next problem, we're given a tire. Notice my beautiful tire here. And we're asked how far will that car travel that has these tires after it makes 15 revolutions, which means the tire spins 15 times. How far did the car move? So an important thing to note, one revolution of this tire will move the car exactly the distance of the circumference. So the first thing you definitely want to find is circumference. So I want to go back to my equations, and I'm given a lot of information here. It looks like the metal portion in the middle, the rim, the hubcap, is 15 inches, and the rubber portions of the wheels are 5.5. So that's great. I want to know the total, though, to find the diameter. 5.5 plus 15 plus 5.5. And I get a diameter of 26 inches. Great. Now I'm feeling confident with this circumference formula, so I'm just going to go ahead and say I know that circumference is also pi times the diameter, which in this case is 26. So the circumference is 26 pi. Now if I go to my calculator and say, all right, what is that? 26 pi. I get this decimal that is a non-repeating decimal, goes on forever. So instead of using a rounded number here, I'm just going to use 26 pi because that's not my final answer. That's just step one to solving this problem. So using 26 pi, I know that this car will travel 26 pi inches every revolution. Okay? Well, if it travels that far every revolution and there's 15 revolutions, you're just going to do 26 pi times 15. Great. Now that will tell me my total distance. There we go. 1, 2, 2, 5. Sorry. My answer here is 1,225.221 inches. But oftentimes that's not really what I want to give my final answer as. 1,000 inches is a lot and it's hard to get a feeling for. So to convert to feet, I just want to think about how many inches would be in a foot. So I'm going to take that 1,225.221 inches, and to convert to feet, I divide by 12. That will get me a final answer in terms of feet of 102.102 feet. Notice I used the exact decimal here by just using the ANS button in my calculator. So that's my final answer, 102.102 feet.